gonna have a quick tour of my aunt's garden.
Grapes?
Yeah.
Oh, so many.
We have lots of raspberries. Nice garden. He's the one who is taking care of the garden.
We're gonna have a cucumber for free from our neighbor. From their neighbor, not our neighbor. Oh wow.
That's from the garden.
That's nice.
From over there.
Yeah. He's really very good. And look at me, I showed him your tomato.
Oh, yeah.
Here.
You planted all of this?
Yes.
You did?
Yes,
Whoa.
yeah. And look, the grapes there.
Nice.
Look at the grapes.
Oh wow. Do you see one you want to see back here?
Yeah.
Really? Carrots,
Really?
wild carrots. They are good for a very rare special butterfly. They put the eggs
Yeah.
somewhere. Sometimes you see they are golden, very small golden, but sometimes you see some, and then it gives the raupen, and then the butterfly.
Let's gonna have a look on your baby. Your baby. Your new baby.
The last baby.
The last? Okay. Oh.
Lexus.
Main piece in Switzerland.
And he was the one who got the first one.
Oh wow.
You can't do that night driving for Germany.
Yeah, and it's only 20 minutes drive from here tonight.
Wow.
We have dinner there.
So spacious.
This is the I can 75 kilometer electric. Or the combination 150 kilometer 1 liter.
You wanna see?
Und sonst normally with benzene. Have 320 PS.
Ah, nice. Just a bit cute.
Cool.
Do you know where you can buy this?
This is for the Auto Street.
Yeah, we need to buy also for our car.
Nein, du musst noch, ich helfe dir noch one, wenn du
ja.
willst. Ich helfe. I give dir, when you go auf Autobahn Switzerland. Sonst musst du pay 40 francs.
40 francs? Wow.
Ich helfe.
For sticker?
Ja, for the sticker.
40 francs for sticker?
Ja, for 1 year.
Ah, for 1 year.
Ja, ich nicht wie in Austria 1 week oder so. Hier muss und wenn auf der Autobahn have no sticker, 200 francs.
Oh, wow.
Und more. Ja.
Wow.
A lot.
Ja.
Und in Switzerland, wenn du drive und ist 60 und du drive, sagen wir 80 und der Police.
How much?
200, 300 francs.
Too much.
Expensive. Oh, thank you.
Oh wow.
Die End gibt mir für ein Gift.
Nice
Das bekomme ich als Gift.
Danke. Okay, so it's currently almost 2 in the afternoon, and we are now going to, how do you pronounce it? Winter tour. It's like Game of Thrones, right? Winter tour. It's 20 minutes away, and we will gonna meet our friends who also live in Switzerland. The last time we met them was, I think, 3 years ago. Was it 3 years ago?
Long time no see.
Hi, Kuya. ¿Cómo
Hi.
Smile. Oh. There. How are you? You're good? Good. Decathlon. Ooh, this is good. It's nice. Gonna buy some snacks for the hike. Ta-da! Ta-da! And Carlos is still. Yo, he bought these shoes, but he thought it's. He bought the wrong shoes, bought the wrong size.
You're so good.
I know, but you said it's perfect, remember? But now it's not perfect.
No,
It's the wrong size.
my feet changed Overnight.
Wow. Now he needs to buy a new shoes. Oh my god. Another expenses. I can't. He's gonna drop by. Scan automatically. So cool, right? So we got homemade macaroons.
Chacaroons.
Chacaroon. Let's try it.
Let's see.
From our friends. It's homemade, you know? It's baked by Adetin. Is it good? Oh,
Amazing.
so dramatic. Is it good? That's nice.
High tech.
High tech. And here I don't have to explain.
What's the next one?
No. I think it's the same. Kijk, ik call you nog snel. That's good.
We are already in Germany.
One more Chinese. Lami.
Lami.
Lumpia lami.
There's no lumpia here.
How is shrimp?
Pasayan.
Pasayan lami.
Yeah, it's a huge one. Oh, so good.
Craving for some kangaroo meat. Or maybe some zebra. I'll try a kangaroo first.
Kangaroo. It's good.
Amazing.
Okay.
What? How?
Kangaroo.
How's the taste? Is the same as chicken?
Like beef.
It's more like beef, yeah.
Okay.
Is de giraffe zebra?
Zebra.
Zebra is beter. Dus was heißt dit op zijn? Beef?
It's more chewy
It's more chewy.
and more dry.
It's dry. How's the taste?
Good. It's not a big difference from beef.
Oh.
If I didn't know it was zebra, I wouldn't know that it's not beef.
No.
Kind of.
It's beautiful.